Conventionally, we know that area of a triangle is the height, perpendicular height, times the base. So like this triangle, if we knew the height, the area is just the height times the base, which is C. But what if the height is not given? There are other ways to work out the area of the triangle, and that brings us to the sine formula for area of a triangle. So let's look at this carefully. Given this triangle ABC with the sides given, looking at the height OC, you can work out sine A as the opposite over the hypotenuse, which is h over b, making h the subject. H is b times sine A. So we now know an expression for our height, which is b times sine A. Our base is still C. So we know that the height here is b times sine A. Our base is C. Putting the height and the base into the original formula, this is what we're going to have. And if we rearrange it nicely, we'll have b times C times sine A over 2. And if you look carefully, you realize that we have b and c, there is no a, so the a becomes the sine A. And this could be written generally as this: a and c, there is no b, so this is sine b, all over 2. A and b, there is no c, so sine c. So when you follow the proof, this is what you're going to end up with for all the three. So all you need is just one. And you must remember one thing: the angle must be included angle. That means the angle must be between the two known sides. To work out the area of the triangle, you must have two known sides, and the angle that you're going to use should be between the two known sides. It's called included angle.